with boys. Just now I finished boys better. Good morning, all of you.
Morning, ma'am.
Yes.
Thank you, beta. You are two lectures behind than the boys. There's a reason that I took your lecture as proxy.
Ma'am, can
Understand
I
better?
read Aina?
Ma'am, can I read Julia
Let
Fatima?
me speak better. All of you can read, don't worry. Let me speak first. Why I'm taking your extra lecture?
Okay, ma'am.
Because boys have finished with lesson number 4 and you are still behind. At least 2 or 3 lectures I need to finish your portion. Now it's totally up to you whether you want to be with boys or you want to be behind boys. It's up to you. You understand what I'm saying?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. So I hope you will not object next time. You will not ask me whether it is social lecture or it is English lecture. Is it understandable?
Okay, ma'am.
Because I'm not doing for myself, beta. I think you should know that. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
One of you start reading.
Ma'am, can I read Julia Fatima? Ma'am, can I read Julia Fatima?
Okay, beta. Dholia Fatima, start.
Okay, ma'am.
The one who reads well will be given the chance. Please be careful.
Okay,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
can I read
One who
Zikra?
reads well, one by one, beta.
Can I
Ignore
do
you
it?
will also have chance. First, Dholia, let us start.
Ma'am, can I start?
Ma'am, first
Ah,
I
beta.
have said Aina.
Ma'am, I first I
Ma'am,
said
I also do
Ma'am,
it.
I have said
Julia
Aina,
first.
Fatima.
Aina, you always take the first chance. This time you take the second chance, beta. Will it be okay?
Ma'am, can I start to read?
Yes, beta.
Conductors. The objects that can allow the, the
Allow
heat, allow the heat.
Aisha, Aisha, first adjust your mic.
Ma'am,
First
she is
adjust your
Dolia
mic.
Fatima is reading.
Okay,
She
Dholia start.
is Dolia Fatima.
Fatima, adjust your mic
Ma'am, can I read Aina?
and speak loudly. Fatima, adjust your mic and speak loudly.
Okay, ma'am.
Start.
Conductors. The objects that can allow the
Can you
heat.
hear her? Beta, children, can you hear her?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Ma'am,
There's
can
a
I
problem.
speak?
Okay. Now Aina.
Okay, ma'am. Conductor. The objects that can allow the heat to flow through them are called conductor. For example, metals such as copper and aluminium.
Thank you. What are these conductors? They are the objects, obviously. They are materials. Yes. Which is allowing the heat to flow through it. What it is doing? It is not stopping the heat. It is allowing the heat to go through it to make a passage. These are called as conductors. Example, they are generally metals. For example, you can see over here. Can you see this better? Yes or no? Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
So you can see this.
Yes, ma'am.
So they are metals such as copper. Now this orange color, if you see, they are copper, and aluminum is silver color. They are like this. They're this color. Aluminum is this color, and copper is golden color. You understand, beta? So these are the metals which allow the heat to pass through. So they are called as conductors. Now let's come to insulators. Yes, next.
Ma'am, can I read Zikra?
Yes, Ikra, start.
Okay, ma'am. Insulators. The objects that do not allow the flow of heat from them are called insulators.
Example.
For example, wood and plastic.
Fine. Now, just opposite to conductors are poor conductors. So insulators are also called as bad conductors of heat or please close your mic. or poor conductors of heat. What are the examples, beta? You can say this is wood. Can you see this, beta? This is wood and this is plastic. Right, beta? So they are poor conductors of heat. So what are they called as? Insulators. What are they called as?
Insulator.
Is this clear? The conductors and insulators. Am I audible?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear, right? Okay. So no problem that you fail to understand me. It's not so. It's not like that. You are unable to understand me because if the voice is not clear, you will not understand me, right, beta? Hello. So now the conduction is over. Can anyone explain me what is conduction? Girls, can you explain to me what is conduction?
Ma'am, can I?
Yeah, why not, beta? Tell
The
me.
transfer of heat in liquid and gases is called convection.
No, I'm talking about conduction. We are through conduction. So we should know what is conduction. I'm not talking about conduction. I'm talking about conduction. Tell me what is conduction. This I'm talking about. What is conduction? You just finished it, beta. Explain. Can anyone? Hello, can anyone? Hello? Hello, girls, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, tell me what is conduction. Yes, Aina, Ikra,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me what is conduction.
Ma'am, I don't know.
Why? We just finished conduction and how can you say you do not know? Why are we studying, beta? If this is the answer, then why are we studying? I think when I started with the lecture, I asked you, are you true? Have you understood? You people all said, yes, ma'am, we know everything. And when I'm asking you a question, then you say you don't know. Is this the right way? Girls, is it a proper way to study? In the beginning of the chapter, I had talked about conduction, convection, and radiation. What did I say in conduction? Metal, solid. Yes or no? In convection, I said it's liquid and gaseous. And in radiation, it's just gaseous. This is what I had told you. So conduction is what? Just now we talked about good conductor of heat and bad conductor of heat. So what is conduction? Conduction is the allowance of heat through metal or through solid, and that's it. That's the answer. You want to read, but you don't want to learn. Is it so, Peter? Seventh standard, I'm addressing you, all of you. Not a single one of you have the answer of conduction. Convection, who said convection, Peter? Who was the one who gave me the answer of convection? What's your name? Hello, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Who was the one who gave me the answer of convection?
Ma'am, Aina.
Aina. If you knew about convection, how can't you know about conduction? I'm shocked. If you know about convection, then you should know about conduction as well because we have already studied conduction. Convection we are going to study now. Am I clear to all of you? I don't want this sort of thing happening again. Please. Seventh standard is clear to all of you. If I put forth a question, I need an answer. Can you hear me? Class, can you hear me?
Ma'am, can I say meaning of conjunction?
You should better.
The process by which heat or electricity is directly transmitted through the material of a substance when there is
Are you
difference
reading
of
it out? Are you reading
what.
it out? Are you reading the answer?
Yes.
Why? Why? I wanted whatever I've taught you. That's the simple. I told you the passage of heat through any substance is called as conduction. Simple. That is the answer. I don't understand. If you have understood, then you can form in your own words, simple words. What did I say just now? The passage of heat through any material is called as conduction. If I'm cooking if I'm cooking food in a vessel, the heat is conducted by the vessel, isn't it? And from the vessel, it is going to the vegetable, and the vegetable gets cooked. Am I right? Hello, am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What is it then? Conduction. So heat is conducted by the cooking vessel, and the heat trapped in between the bottom of the vessel and the lid of the vessel makes the food cooked. That's it. Because we are using the activity of conduction for cooking of food. You know that?
Ma'am, your screen is not present.
Now, can you see now?
No.
Can you see now?
No.
Just a moment, just a minute. Also standard आपको 7 का मैन ही मैं 9 आपको पहले हेड टीचर के पास एक हेड टीचर अच्छी करना गलत बात है now can you see
Yes,
girls
ma'am.
can you see read what is written over here and I'm very sorry but I'm disappointed if this is your attitude you're very young that means you all are lying to me yes girls all of you are lying to me that you know everything yes or no girls I'm addressing you beta I need an answer can you hear me hello
Yes, ma'am.
can you hear me
Yes.
now if you know everything then why can't you answer me what is written over here as conduction read it what is written over here please read what is written can anyone read the slide
Ma'am, can I read?
do it
Activity.
I said conduction baba
Conduction is the process by which heat is transferred in solid from the hotter end to the colder end.
this is clear or not what did I ask so far about conduction only such a simple sentence is given to you can't you give that answer hello Hello? If you can hear me, say answer. So hope you have understood what is important over here. What is important?
Solid.
You understood? Right, beta? And what is important over here? Got it now? That is the difference, nothing else. Convection is the transfer of heat from hot to cold through solid is called as conduction. Convection from hot to cold in liquids and gases, that is convection. Is it clear? Is it clear? Hello? Hello? Girls, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Start reading. Start reading. Start reading better.
The transfer of heat in liquids and gases is called convection. The molecules of the liquid or gases
Molecules.
molecules of the liquid or gases that are near the source of the heat get heated first. They become lighter due to the heat and move upward. The colder particles, being heavier, take the place, and this process continues until the whole liquid or the gases gets heated.
Now, this is the hot plate. So the particles are the hottest over here, right? Now, these molecules of liquid near the source of heat are getting heated first. They become light and they go up, right, beta? They are going up. Is it clear? And the colder particle, that the blue color, comes down. The colder particles come down and takes the place of this. And the process keeps on till the whole liquid gets heated up. So upper is cold, bottom is hot. Is it clear? Girls, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
And if we talk about candle, for example, now take this candle, right? Take this candle, you put your hand on top and one hand on the side. Which one you will feel hot? Which one you will feel hot? If you can hear me, answer me, beta.
What, ma'am?
Can you hear me properly or not?
Yes.
I'm saying twice at least. I'm putting questions
Ma'am,
twice.
upper.
If I say I'm putting a hand on top of the candle and one hand on the side of the candle, which one will be warmer?
Upper side.
Upper.
Top one, upper one. Why? Because of convection. Is it understandable to you?
Yes.
So what is the medium over here? Gas. Which gas? Air. Isn't it, Vika?
Yes.
What is the medium? Air. You understood now? So that's why in the gas, convection takes place. There will be no convection. There is convection. Have you understood this much? Have you understood this much?
Yes.
Please read it again. As a part of revision, I've taken another slide. Please read better. Read better.
Okay, ma'am. Convex- Conversations.
Convection.
Con- con-
Who
convection.
is it? Who is it? Who is reading?
Zikra.
Be careful better.
Okay. The transfer of energy in a liquid or gas when
So you
part of a
agree? Do
what,
you agree
ma'am?
with this? The transfer of energy? The transfer of energy from hot to cold, isn't it better?
Okay,
There's a
ma'am.
transfer energy from hot to cold. Where? In a liquid or gas. Next,
When part of a gas or liquid or gas when part of a gas or liquid is heated, the particles it is made up of move faster and spread out more. The moving particles bump into the other particles, causing them to move faster and spread out more.
now we are talking about gas. So gas, they have got particles, right? Like this. Now it is getting heated. So when it gets heated, it starts striking with the particles which are nearby, right? And they spread. So next time what will happen? One particle will be here, the other will be here, the other will be here. So it is spreading. What it is happening better now? The spreading. Why? Because it got energy from the heat, right better? It got energy. So the particles will start moving faster and they will spread out. How they are, what are they doing actually? They are colliding with each other. What are they doing? They are colliding with each other because they got energy from the heat. And they spread out. For example, when you blow the balloon, what is happening? The warm air of your mouth is filling the balloon, right, beta? So it has got energy. So particles, they spread out more, increasing the size of the balloon. We'll do it with an activity. Read better. Start reading.
Ma'am, can I now?
Okay, read properly. Okay, beta?
Okay, ma'am. Convention. Convention is the process
Convection.
by
Read properly, please, for God's sake. Can you
what,
read?
ma'am?
It is convection or it is convention? What are you reading, beta? Where is L? Why you reading
Convention.
it is convection. It is C
Convection,
over
ma'am.
here. This is
Okay,
C over here. Please read it carefully, beta.
okay, ma'am. Convection. Convection is the process by which heat is transferred in liquids and gases from the hotter part to the clouder part.
Older part. I know you want to
Clouder
continue
part.
reading. You want to continue
Activity.
reading.
Activity. Take some water in
I
the
know I
round.
said something. Do you want to continue? Then read properly, otherwise stop it.
Okay.
You think you are reading properly? You are reading 7th standard. You should understand that. You are reading 7th standard. So you should be almost perfect. What do you say? Look at the way you are reading. I won't allow you better. You have to practice a lot. And when I think that yes, you are perfect, then only I will ask you to continue. Is it clear? Keep on practicing. I don't think you are practicing at home. Are you practicing at home, better? Are you practicing at home? Aina,
Yes, ma'am.
where is she? Is Aina practicing at home? Reading? I don't think so. Because it shows, if you practice, it shows that you are improving. Yes, who will read? Who will read better? Hello? Is Rabia there? Why is she so silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Why aren't you reading, beta? I don't have to invite you. Should I?
No, ma'am.
On your own, beta. You should. When I'm
Okay, ma'am.
asking this blank, no one is reading. Does not look good at all.
Okay, ma'am. Convection. Convection is the process by which heat is transferred in liquids and gases from the hotter part to the colder part. Activity. Take some water in a round bottom flask. Keep it on a tripod stand. Put a crystal of potassium pomegranate in it. Heat it with a burner. The water at the bottom becomes hot and rises up, and cold water from the top moves down. This water becomes hot and rises up, and cold water from the top moves down. And the process continues till all the water gets heated. This shows that heat is transformed by convection.
Transferred, not transformed. It is transferred
Okay, ma'am.
by convection. What is the process? We have already talked about that heat is transferred. How? From hotter part to the colder part, where in liquids and gases, right? This is the process. What we saw in conduction, in solid. What we are seeing in convection, liquids and gas. That's the difference. But everywhere heat is transferred, right, Vika? And how
Yes.
is the exchange taking place from the hot to the colder part? Let's take an activity that we have taken a round bottom flask. Can you see this round bottom flask over here? This is the round bottom flask, right, Vika? And it is on a tripod stand. This is a stand, which is called as a tripod stand because it has got a three legs. It has got three legs, so it is called as tripod stand. Like this, and like this. Excuse me. Then we have put potassium permanganate crystals, and you are heating with a burner. As we know that this area will become hot, agree, and it will rise up. What do you say? It will rise up. Is it clear? And from here, the cold water will take the place. Am I right? And the cycle goes on. Girls, do you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? It will continue till the temperature over here and the temperature over here is equal. Got my point? This process will continue till all the temperature of the water becomes equal. The bottom temperature and the top temperature become equal. And then what you see, the water starts boiling. Can you see this? You can see the bubbles coming up. Yes, beta? The water starts boiling. And when the water starts boiling, the certain drops will escape in the form of water vapor. What are these called as steam in the form of water vapor? Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? All of you understood? This is how the heat is transferred from, where is this getting transferred, beta? From this to this, and then the cycle goes on. Is it clear? Is it clear to all of you, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Now we'll see what is convection in air. Read, beta.
Ma'am, can I read?
Is it Aina?
Aisha.
Aisha. Will you be able to read properly? Otherwise, Rabia, you can continue. Okay? We will give Aisha
Yes,
this
ma'am.
chance. If she is not able to, then Rabia, you will continue. I don't have to ask you
Okay,
again
ma'am.
if I did
Yes,
better.
ma'am.
Start, Aisha.
Yes, ma'am. Convection in air. The air near the heat source gets heated and rise up. The air from the sides move in to take its place.
In this way, the air gets heated if you keep one hand above a flame and one hand on the side of the flame. The hand at the top feels too hot because the air above is heated by convection. The hand at the side does not feel as hot because there is no convection.
Well done, Aisha. You did good. But still, you need practice. Keep on. Okay, keep it up.
Okay, ma'am.
Can you explain, Beta? Can anyone explain whatever Aisha has read? Can anyone explain? Can anyone explain the slide? It's pretty easy, so I've asked you. Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Can anyone explain, I said, the activity?
Ma'am, can I?
Okay?
Uh, it is said that the air that is near the heat, the source of heat, that is more warm than compared to the air
You
in
should
the
say
side.
warmer. Hello, Beta. You should say warmer than, right?
Yes, ma'am.
More warm
Is
than is wrong English. Okay?
yes,
It
ma'am.
is warmer than.
It's warmer than the air
Okay?
in the side. So when we keep
Inside.
our hand on the top flame and on the side, then we'll feel more heat on the hand which is on the top. So
Okay?
it says that the heat that goes up is more warm is warmer, and the heat that is on side is less warm
Cooler.
than
Cooler
that
as
heat.
compared. All of you understood? In such, it is, we know that the where air gets heated, it rises up, right, Beta? When the air gets heated, it rises up. And from the sides, the cold air moves in, right, Beta? This is what we observed. So this is hot air and this is cold air, right, Beta? And this is the cycle goes on and on, and the air gets heated up. Let's take an example of a candle flame. One hand on top of the flame and one hand on the side of the flame, right, Beta? Which one you will feel hotter? Obviously, one which is on top of the flame. So why is it happening? Because the air which is in between the candle and your hand is getting heated by convection, whereas on the side it is not being heated by the convection because there is no flame on the side. The flame is always on the top. So it is going up. It is not going sideways. Is it understandable to all of you? Is it understandable to all of you? Class, can you hear me? Seven
Yes.
standard, can you hear
Yes,
me,
ma'am.
Vita? Let's start with the sea breeze and land breeze. Okay?
Ma'am, can I continue?
Just a moment. Now, I'm going to show you all the three activities: conduction, convection, and radiation. Now, this is a solid rod. Can you see this? It's a solid. So, the flame is going up, it is getting heated, and there's exchange of heat from hot end to cold end. So, this is called as conduction. What it is, beta? Conduction. So, where it is happening, solid. Is this clear? Girls, is this clear? Can you hear me or not, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Why no answer? It's taking so much of time. Now, the air is getting heated. This is air, right, beta? And you're feeling warm. This is you're feeling warm. So what is happening? Convection. What is happening? Hello. What is happening, beta? Convection. Now, on the sides, you're getting the heat. On the sides, you're getting the heat from the flame. What is called as radiation. What it is called as radiation. The sun rays from the sun is a radiation. Is it okay with all of you? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now we come to sea breeze and land breeze. It's a topic, totally different topic, but we see convection over here. What are we observing? Convection. Sea water and air. Right, beta? We
Yes,
are going
ma'am.
to
Can I
observe convection.
continue?
Okay, beta.
Continue, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Yes, ma'am. Sea breeze.
Ma'am, can I
During the
next?
day, the land gets heated faster than the sea. So, the air above the land gets heated, becomes hotter, and rises up, and cool air from the sea moves towards the land. This is called sea breeze. Number 2. Land breeze. During the night, sea cools down slowly than the land. So, the hot air above the sea rises up and cool air from the land moves towards the sea. This is called land breeze.
Thank you. So what is sea breeze? You should understand how. Sea to land. What you will remember? Sea to land. That is sea breeze. And what is land breeze? Land to sea. So you will never get confused. Is it understandable?
Yes,
Girls.
ma'am.
So confusion is gone now. What is sea breeze? Sea to land. What is land breeze? Land to sea. Is this clear? Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Sea
ma'am.
breeze is happening during daytime. When does it happening, beta? Sea breeze, daytime. Land breeze is nighttime. This is clear? Sea breeze will happen during daytime. Land breeze will happen during nighttime. Daytime, what happens? Land gets heated faster than the sea. You agree? Land will get heated faster or the sea. Hello? During daytime, the land gets heated faster or the sea gets heated faster.
Yes,
Hello?
ma'am.
During the daytime, the land gets heated or the sea gets heated. Okay, leave it. We'll do it again. I don't think you're able to hear me properly. Can you hear me properly? I don't think so.
Ma'am, what is today's homework?